Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. The AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So if you encounter this error, the possible cause, the main culprit is AMD software installer was unable to access web resources required for installation from AMD server. This may be caused by your system antivirus, firewall settings, or the AMD server are temporarily offline for maintenance. So first solution, thank you for AMD.com. Please make sure you are running latest version of the AMD Auto Detect and Install tool or the full AMD driver package, which can be found on this site. Driver and support for processor graphic. So make sure you download this one, the Auto Detect and Install driver updates, the latest version, or you can download manually your graphic driver. Make sure you download the latest version. So here, let's see, the latest version is 24.12.1. This is the AMD Adrenaline edition. So this one, the release date is 5 December 2024. So this is the latest driver. Make sure you download this one, and also check your antivirus software and definition are up to date. Then rerun AMD software installer. So you may also consider disabling your antivirus software temporarily until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. So you can double click this shield on your system tray and go to the virus threat and protection. Click manage settings and turn off real-time protection. Or you just simply search by RTP and click, and here we go, manage setting under virus threat protection setting, and turn this off. Then you can turn this on after the installation finish. And next, you can configure your system firewall setting to allow traffic with AMD server while the AMD software install running. So you can run the AMD software installer first. Then you can type allow, this one, allow an app through Windows Firewall. You can click it, and here allow AMD, just check this box to allow AMD run to allow traffic with AMD server while the AMD software installer is running. For you cannot do anything about this. You can consider installing the AMD software package later. The AMD server may be temporarily offline due to maintenance. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Support this button below. See you in the next video.